Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Microwave Engineering. In today's class, we are going to learn about a ferrite device called isolator. An isolator is a two-port device which is a ferrite device which exhibits magnetic properties. As we have already seen in the previous classes, we have seen the bench setup of a microwave system. In that we have seen the isolator, right? So the isolator, as the diagram shows here, it will be fixed between the microwave source as well as the load. Okay, so we have a klystron power supply and we have seen the klystron gun, right? So after that the isolator is connected, through which the microwave signal is passed, and further it will be connected to many more ferrite devices, and at last it will be connected to load. So as far this isolator is concerned, as we see here, this isolator looks like this or like this. It consists of two ports. One will be acting as an input which is connected at the microwave source, and another will be acting as an output which is connected to the load. So whenever a microwave source emit microwave energy, it will be, the signal will be transmitting through this input and it will be going through the output. Okay, so the most effective part of the isolator is like it will be transmitting the signal in only in a single direction. As the signal is passing through the input, the isolator sees that it travels through only the output. Okay, if at all there are any reflections coming back from the output, okay, it will absorb all the reflections and it will make the signal to move only in one direction. So mostly an isolator is used. An isolator is a ferrite device which exhibits magnetic properties and is used for a microwave signal in such a way that the microwave signal propagates in a single direction, and if at all there are any reflections, that will also be absorbed. Okay, so an isolator is a two-port device which provides small amount of attenuation. So the attenuation means the quality of the signal remains same, but the power of the signal will be reduced, little bit reduced, and its main aim is to provide attenuation, that also only small amount of attenuation. And another part, main part, is it allows the signal to travel only in a single direction from input to output, and if at all there are any reflections, it will be absorbing all the reflections. This is how a diagram is drawn. This is a microwave source. All the signals which are generated by the microwave source is given to an isolator as an input, and the output evolved from the isolator through a single direction will be connected through the load. Okay.